Go.
My name is Ahmed Saleh, a civil engineering student at Unimap. During my internship, I worked on structural repairs, including parking, ceiling repairs using scaffolding, and addressing water leakage issues with waterproofing techniques. This hands on experience helped me develop skills in construction management, problem solving, and team coordination. These experiences have prepared me for future challenges in the field of civil engineering. My internship also involved detailed inspections and defect identification, focusing on wall cracks, ceiling damage, and pipe repairs in residential units and common areas. I utilized skimming and plastering techniques to repair cracks and applied multiple layers of waterproofing to prevent future water damage in moisture prone areas. In collaboration with engineers and labor teams, I reinforced parking slabs and repaired staircases and utility rooms to maintain structural integrity. Through this, I gained valuable experience in civil engineering practices, preparing me to contribute effectively in my future career. I will now let you see some short videos I recorded during my internship, showcasing the hands-on work I performed, including structural repairs, waterproofing applications, and team coordination on site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the work I did.